Hey guys, so let's talk about trading a bit. So the way you make money is through using some indicators and understanding the price action and resistance. Okay, so basically what is a trend? You need to understand the trend, okay, if you want to make money. Let's look at the past over here. It's going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up. This is called resistance when it comes down and again goes up. This level is called resistance, okay? So let's put it in a better way. Look at that, it's coming down. This is resistance, okay? So the way you go about it is you understand if the resistance beats the previous levels. Okay, right now here it did beat the previous resistance levels, so this is a good chance. So at this time you should understand that it's a possibility that the trend has reversed, and from the uptrend it's probably become a downtrend. This is what most people would do. So there's a good chance someone loses money over here, and you can lose money, it's fine, because this is just one way to go about it. And then it went up. Imagine you shorting over here thinking that the resistance beat the previous resistance, and it's probably going to be a downtrend, and then this up upward resistance is just going to go back again down, and again resistance, and again going to go down. Someone would have thought that and lost money. So you wait. Why? How you prevent losing money is discipline, because trading is a lot about discipline. You have to control. You know it's going to go up, you think it's going to go up, but you need to control yourself. What happens is, usually why this happens is because why the resistance comes in, but when it's at the top, when it goes up, the big players or any player who invested starts selling, and taking profits, and then it falls down, and again there's some investment, okay, again goes up, again someone taking profits and starts selling, and it falls down. That's how it works. So price action is like that. You have to look at the resistance. Okay, so right now I think if I look at right now, the trend is not great. I like to trade the 15-minute charts and take the 15 seconds candle. So I'm just going to wait till that sets in. Okay, so I look at the trend. Okay, it's mostly an uptrend. It's coming down, waiting, and again going up. So I'm just going to wait till I see a good sign to go in. So look at that, this is resistance going on over here right now. Okay, so I'm just going to wait till the resistance stops. It could as well be a change in the trend. It could probably be a downtrend, you never know. But till resistance stops and there's at least something bullish going here, I'm not going to do anything. So this written pound upon Japanese yen. Okay, so people don't even look at the news these days. Nothing matters like that. Look at that, the trend is going, it's going to change, right? I probably bit late, but let's see. I think it's going to go up again. So that's how you work and understand the resistance, because this is completely an uptrend. You have to understand what the trend is and then you trade. Okay, so initially you might not make money, so this is a good idea to go to the practice account, and this is the practice account. And just to show you that this is not a fake account, let's look at the trades I've made. So I did lose some money in the practice account. It's not like I made money every time, but you just have to lose very less time. If you lose twice or thrice after trading 10 times, the 7:3 ratio is going to make you rich, so you're going to lose money, but keep in mind that the discipline needs to be there. So I just it would have been a proper trade, I would have made money. The only reason I haven't made money is because I still don't earn that much money to go in, and I don't have a lot of cash to put in the business, but I already know these things. The only reason I don't deposit, I just tried depositing $10 once, made some money, withdrew it, and then whatever was left, I lost that again. So I didn't go in again. And that was when I didn't understand price action, and now I do. So that's probably one more reason for me to go in recently. Once I get in some money, I'm going to go in. So this is one way to trade using the price actions, and I have some indicators here. This is an Ishimoku. So what it does is, if the cloud is green and the there's always a leading indicator and a lagging indicator. Let's not get into details. If the blue line crosses the red line from below, look at this one over here, and the price, that is the current price, is this. Okay, if the price is above the cloud and the cloud is green, that's a sign. All these coupled together is a sign it's going to be bullish. And look at that, over here it did cross, and after that it's gone up. Okay, so that is one sign. Okay, so similarly RSI, this is one more indicator here. RSI, I put it twice for 19 periods and 16 periods in the past. So it just tells you what could be. Okay, Using an indicator, you cannot make money every single time. So you might lose money more if you just keep using indicators than if you understand price action. So I feel it's going to go up again right over here. Let's see if I can trade, but I'm just going to wait for the resistance to settle in. I don't see it as a resistance. I just see the trend still going up. I don't see this as a resistance, let me just wait it out, and let's see what happens. It might as well change, so no one knows. You're going to lose money. You're not going to make money every single time. So just for you, I'm going to make one more trade and see if I can make some profits just to get your confidence. Okay, so I think it's a resistance right over here, and the moment it stops, the moment the resistance stops, I'm going to go in. I'm going to buy. Why buy? Because this is an uptrend right now. So wait, let the resistance finish. If the resistance crosses the previous resistance level, it's an indicator that the trend might have changed. I think it's over now. Yeah, the resistance is probably gone now. So I'm just going to wait a few more seconds. Yeah, let the candle go in, because the candle is for 15 seconds. After the 15 seconds, the next candle comes up. Look at that, it's going up. So I'm going to right now, right over here. Let's see what happens. I'm not really sure what will happen, but this is how it works. So this is what I know. I can lose money, and if it doesn't go up, I can still hedge it with another buy. But within those 25 seconds that are left, okay, I cannot trade after that, because it'll be a new option I have to buy. Look at that, it went up. So this is one way. You need to identify the trend and see if the resistance is gone. Once the resistance is gone, you should understand it's going to go up again, and it's going to follow the trend. Similarly, in a downtrend, if it's going down, there's going to be some resistance. It's going to come up, and again, it's going to go down, right? So that's what happens. So you identify the trend. The way you lose money is when the trend reverses. Like somewhere over here, imagine the trend would have reversed, and I probably didn't understand that. Then I would have lost money. But it doesn't really happen. The trend doesn't keep reversing every now and then. If that is happening, you should not trade in that option, okay? Because look at that. It's nice money coming in, beautiful charts. If I would have had the real money account right now, I would have made money. And trust me, I've checked this out. Whatever is here is definitely what's going in the real account, okay? So there's not going to be a lot of difference with what you see here and in the real account. So no matter what you see, if you don't trust me, go ahead, try it for yourself. This is the practice account. Let me open the real account and show you the same thing for GBP upon JPY, okay? Look at that. It's a real account, and it's the same chart over here. Imagine I had money, I would have deposited that, made money, right? So it's the same chart going in, okay? So people say there's a difference between trading real money and practice account, but you should not feel it like that. Whenever you have those $10,000, keep training your mind and tell your mind that this is the money you made and this is the hard-earned money. That way you'll just train yourself for all these losses that you can bear, and you won't get emotional. So keep in mind, it's more of a discipline than just some game. Look at that. There's again another resistance. It could be a downtrend. Let me check. It did cross the previous resistance levels, but it again got over. Let me check if the downtrend is starting or if this is just resistance. Okay, it's definitely an end of resistance, I believe. So let me just wait this candle out. Okay, it's still going down. It's waiting. Okay, it's the resistance is over. It's gonna go up. I was a bit late. Oops. Okay, that was too late. The internet was too slow. But I'm gonna just sell this one out because I don't want to lose a lot of money, or I'm gonna just put in a higher bet here for 2,000 bucks and hedge this one out. Yeah. So let's see if I lose money or if I make money. I don't know what's gonna happen, but the most likely outcome is this, what I just made. So you have to know the trend, okay? If you don't know the trend, you're gonna lose money. You understand the trend. So even if I lose money here, it's fine. I've made a lot of profitable trades. So look at that. Look at that. It's still profitable right now. Even if I sell, I'm not going to lose a lot of money. So if that happens, just make sure you have a good internet connection. That's one more reason I haven't invested real money right now. Because imagine I would have invested over here. That's a sure short profit, right? So I understand what the market is doing, but due to some reasons, I haven't put in real money. If you do, if you think you can make money, go and just put $10. Check it out. This is not endorsing at all. I'm not endorsing the app in any way. I don't have any association. So just check it out. This is one way to make money. Look at that. It went to 48,000. So probably in the future soon I'll be making videos on trading with real money. I'll do it live on the videos, so you understand that I'm not faking it. Okay, look at that. There's one more indicator telling me it's going to be a downtrend soon. Look at that. This looks like a downtrend is setting in because this resistance is going to be a downtrend soon. That's what I'm thinking. So just gonna wait and confirm that. Okay, it's gonna be a downtrend. Why? Blue line just crossed the red line from above and went below. Although the cloud hasn't turned red yet and the price isn't below it, I think it's gonna be a downtrend. Let me check. This resistance has already beat the previous level, so it's mostly can be a downtrend. I'm just gonna wait this one out. Check if the price goes up. and stops again. If this beats the previous trend somewhere over here or here, and then I'm going to know that it's probably still a continuation of the uptrend. And if it stops before it reaches this level, I'm going to short this one out. I'm gonna go with the lower one because it could be a change in trend. Look at that. I feel it's a change in the trend. Okay, look, it's going down. It's gonna be a change in the trend. Let me wait this one out. Let's check what happens. This is a change in the trend, right? That's how you identify. Why I could identify that is because this went up, came down, again went up. This level of resistance beat the previous level. It went below that. That's a good indicator that the trend has changed, right? It could as well not be a change in trend, but this is at least going to continue for a bit long time. So at least some part of time. This short-lived trend could go on for a long time, or it could just remain there for some time. But you're just going to make money in some small amount of time. You don't have to wait, right? So I'm just going to sell this one out if it goes on again, because I'm not sure it's going to stay again like that, because shorting is not easy, buying is a bit more easier, and this could not be, probably is not just the start of a trend. Okay, you never know. So the closer I get to this red line, the profits I get increase. Okay, so let's just wait this one out. Okay, got the money, right? This is how it works, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. If you love this one, just like it, share it, and subscribe if you love this one. Thank you, guys. Peace out.